In South Africa, the court system is a vital part of the justice process. It starts with the magistrates' courts, handling less serious criminal and civil cases. These courts are spread across the country, making justice accessible to all. For more serious matters, cases move to the high courts. Here, judges preside over complex criminal and civil cases, ensuring fair trials and justice. The high courts are divided into divisions, each serving different regions. Above the high courts is the Supreme Court of Appeal. This court reviews cases from the high courts, focusing on legal principles and ensuring consistency in the application of the law. At the pinnacle is the Constitutional Court, the highest court in South Africa. It deals with constitutional matters and ensures that laws and actions comply with the Constitution. This court plays a crucial role in protecting human rights and democracy. The court system in South Africa is designed to ensure justice, fairness, and equality, reflecting the country's commitment to upholding the rule of law and protecting the rights of its citizens.